Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Do you still remember these two characters we learned before? One is da and the other is xiao. Let's review them first. Da is most often used as an adjective to describe something large in size, great in power, strong in intensity, or significant in importance. It can also describe something broad in scale, deep in degree, or important in nature. Xiao is used to describe something smaller in size, quantity, or strength than usual or than another object. It can also describe something less significant or less important. Today, the new character we're going to learn is made up of these two characters. Xiao is on top and da is at the bottom, just like this. Its pronunciation is jian. Let's guess what this character means. It's an adjective that describes things that are wide at the bottom and pointed at the top, just like these objects. Haha, you must have guessed it. Jian describes anything that comes to a narrow end or has a fine point, both in physical shape and in abstract qualities. For example, 尖刀 means sharp knife. 山尖 means mountain tip. In this word, jian describes a physical shape. It means something sharp, pointed, or thin at the end. 尖叫 means to scream. In this word, jian describes a sound. It means high-pitched or shrill. 尖酸 means sharp-tongued or mean. In this word, jian expresses an abstract quality. It's used to describe speech or personality that is cutting, harsh, or sarcastic. 尖子生 means top student. In this word, jian describes intelligence or skill, meaning someone who stands out or is especially clever in a certain area. Let's practice reading this character. 尖 尖 尖 Now let's learn how to write this character. 尖 is a top and bottom structured character. At the top, we have 小, and at the bottom, we have 大. And we also know that when writing this character, the correct order is from top to bottom. You already know how to write 小 and 大, so writing 尖 should be easy. In the writing grid, just write 小 in the upper part of the square, and then write 大 right below it. Let's review the little rhyme for this character. Small on top with big below makes tian, sharp and pointed to show. Did you got it? In this channel, I'll make learning Chinese characters more fun by adding some interesting stories and examples. So join us, take it step by step, and you'll master more Chinese characters one by one.